Series 1 heading up the lineup, short wheelbase, either 1.6 or 2 litre petrol engine. Followed by again, similar styling, but throughout the horsepower range. Then we come up into the sort of 1980s where we started to really push power out of tractors. The 135, 3-cylinder Perkins lump. Now I will say highly volatile fuel. Then switching over to TVO, tractor vaporizing oil. Tractor vaporizing oil, you can't stop or start an engine on it sensibly, so what you do is you start on the petrol, and then once it's warm, but then before you stop, you must make sure that you switch back over to petrol to prime the carburetor, because otherwise you'll end up oiling the plug and you'll never start the thing. Case International, they're moving into 80s and 90s, bigger tractors, bigger horsepower. The Fortune Dexter, that I'm sitting next to now, just waiting for the lineup to start moving. Then we've got the nice little tractor, the Ica. The Ica diesel with a single cylinder engine. There's only a couple of these that I've seen on the rally field, and I do think it's nice to see something slightly different. And I'm sure this chap will tell you a bit about the Ica while we're just waiting. By the Ferguson 35, the grey and gold Fergie. And as I said earlier, the grey and gold Fergie is celebrating 70 years of production now. So again, another milestone. And it just goes to show how what the quality of these tractors were like when they were produced, to have the mainstay net ones are actually going to be around in 60 or 70 years time, because I firmly believe that we won't smiler, I reckon. At least he's still smiling after all the alcohol he had last night. I don't know, it would have been soft drink. He's finished a bit about the alcohol as well. So that would and trailer rides that were happening during the course of yesterday, and obviously Friday night there was, Saturday morning there was a road run. By the time we got into the Universal range, we had what was badged up the Universal diesel. The Field Marshal, now over this weekend we had several Field Marshals on display through the arena. We had Series 2 and Series 3. We've got to put like a tuck paper in the front, like that, let that just sort of burn as a free heat, and then we'll turn it over. And Ferguson brand being presented. We have so many tractors here this weekend to try and keep things moving. We're going to be snaking them through the arena, and then they'll be going out, I believe, the gate that they've come in. I thought they were
sleep in the kitchen. It's a proper disgrace. Now I clean it up. Would you change your mind? I'll give out drinking strong and back lager and lime. I'm an arbiter and I'll give you the key.
27.
We've had it quite a few years. Not been with Derby. The original competition. We've thought it was the best one in the show. So that condition, really.
No, so I will let the pair of you present the tankard, and then I don't know whether you're going to take it off so we don't drop it off the tractor. Yeah. To accidents. The Grey Ferguson come in petrol TDO, diesel variants. We've got all variants on site this weekend, and then we've got something that's slightly different just coming